What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you've been good. Hope you've been taking care of yourself. Hope you've been locked in. I've been locked in like always, but back on the YouTube grinds. We're about to just make a beat. I woke up super early today, went out to get a coffee. My energy is super high, and I was like, bro, let me turn on the camera and put in some work, cause gotta wait for the garbage truck to pass. We're focused, me and you, right here, right now, about to lock in. About to cook something from scratch. They just opened up Analog Lab. It's been a minute since I used Analog Lab. Kind of like this. So I have this MIDI right here. And we're just going to build off of that. Let's open another instance of Analog Lab because that top melody right there, I want in a different sound. Ooh, what is this? Bro, the energy is fucking high. This shit is fire. I love this shit. Damn, we're cooking. Yo. I'm just following the chords right here. So as you can see, I'm using the ghost notes to create this counter melody. Yeah, much better. Using this one shot from my kit. And what I'm going to do is, like fucking everybody doing these glide notes and shit, may as well do it as well. Like that. We're going to add the hi-hat in a second. We first want to create the bounce. That bounce goes crazy. Like even if you solo the drums. That's what I'm hearing. That's fire. Let's pitch it up, 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 up. We're going to layer the 808s because I like this 808. Yo, that's it. That's the beat. I like how it turned out. I like the vibe. I like the energy. Hope you're doing great. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I am Skana, and I got a lot more comment. Trust me. Love you guys. Peace.